Welcome back to How to Create Retro Elements in Adobe Illustrator. I'm Mary Winkler for Envato Tutsplus. In this lesson, we'll complete this chapter with the creation of a fun vintage camera. Like some of our other lessons, I've placed the final design on the left of my workspace. Circles and rounded rectangles easily make a camera. Draw a dark brown rectangle. Select the top two anchor points with the direct selection tool. Hold down Shift to select more than one, and pull the live corners toward the center. Repeat on the bottom, but don't round off those corners nearly as much as the top. Overlap your rounded rectangle with another rectangle. You can match the width of your rounded rectangle or use the Shape Builder tool to select the non-intersecting components and delete them. Set the fill color to Harvest Gold. For the loops on either side of the camera, zoom in a bit, shortcut Ctrl+, and draw a small rectangle on the left side of the design. Make sure the bottom edge of the rectangle aligns with the top edge of the yellow-orange rectangle. Round off the left side of the rectangle. Draw a small circle and place it on the left side of the little rectangle. Select both and use the Shape Builder tool to select the circle. Delete it. Your side loop has been created. Adjust the scale of your loop shape as you see fit. Copy and paste the object and reflect it over a vertical axis. Place the copy on the right side of the camera. Align the two shapes to their bottom edges. For the shutter button, draw a creamy yellow rectangle and place it on the top left of the camera. Select the top two anchor points of the rectangle and round off the edges a bit. Place this shape behind the rest of the camera design. For the flash, draw a teal rectangle with rounded corners and place it on the right side of the camera. Let's work on the camera's lens. Draw a circle with the ellipse tool, shortcut L, and place it near the center of the camera design. Set the fill color to dark orange. Draw a smaller circle and place it in the dark orange circle's center. Set the fill color to a medium buttercup yellow. Repeat 2 more times, varying the space between the circles. Align them to their centers. Feel free to use different shades of orange and yellow for each circle. For the center of the lens, draw a dark brown circle with a teal stroke of 1 to 2 points in width. Center this circle. Draw a small teal circle in its center. Once all 6 of your circles are aligned, group, shortcut Ctrl+G, them together. We have just a few more features to complete our camera design, most of which involve circles. Draw 2 creamy yellow circles. Place the larger of the 2 on the upper left next to the lens and the smaller of the 2 on the lower left of the lens. Zoom in if you wish to make this easier. Draw a small yellow circle. Set the stroke color to Harvest Gold or yellow-orange. Place it in the center of the other yellow circle. Group these 2 circles together. In the large yellow circle, you'll want to draw a brown circle with a yellow-orange stroke around it. Align it to the large yellow circle's center. Draw a small brown rectangle coming out of the top of these 2 circles. Group all of these components together. For our final element, draw a yellow rectangle. Select the rightmost anchor points with the direct selection tool and pull the live corners of the shape inward. Draw a circle on its right side and use the Shape Builder tool to select the shape. Set the fill color of this circle to null and the stroke to orange. Place these shapes beneath the lower right side of the lens and rotate it to the left a bit. Zoom out and enjoy your completed camera design. Thank you so much for joining me in this lesson on creating a retro camera design. In our next video, we'll start off Chapter 3 with a short lesson on creating ribbons and banners common to retro-inspired work.